brother.
Oh, Reggie's bad axolotl. You know, if we took him out of the water, he would hunt on land.
What would he hunt?
Anything that moves.
Ben's mother passed away a few months ago.
There was an old deed for coastal property. Legally, it's yours to do with as you wish.
My mother never once mentioned this.
Some families have secrets.
Ben, look at this.
It's incredible.
I have a buyer who's interested. They've made a strong offer.
Is that serious?
I love you.
The badger drew himself up, took a firm grip with his stick, and flung the trap door wide open.
What is it?
It's a water tank. All these old types of places would have run off rainwater.
Hello? Is anyone in there?
They found something in the tank. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Oh, sweetie.
Something's trying to get in.
The tank was open.
My mother wasn't crazy like they thought.
It knows we're here.
Some families have secrets.